Yeah, so hi, I'm Tanya and I'm a team member of Team Null Pointer. So imagine you're a contractor who has just won a contract to build your dream project. You're excited to begin construction, but before even laying the first brick, you buried under paperwork, confusing regulations, and multiple government approvals. So a single missing document can delay your project by weeks or even months. What if getting a construction permit wasn't as simple as uploading your blueprint? So that's exactly why we built PermitFlow. I am building this along with my teammates Prerna and Kritika and excited to present PermitFlow, the construction compliance autopilot. PermitFlow is an AI-powered platform that helps contractors, architects, and municipal authorities automate compliance checks, reduce permit rejections, and make construction approval faster, smarter, and more transparent. Uh, every year has thousands of building regulations. Contractors have to visit multiple government portals, understand zoning laws, building codes, fire safety regulation, environmental clearances, and prepare dozens of documents. Most applications are not rejected because the project is bad. They are rejected because of small compliance mistakes. So missing one fire NOC, incorrect fire calculation, missing setback details, and the entire application starts again. That means lost time, increased cost, delayed infrastructure, frustrated contractors. So instead of making contractors learn regulations, we decided to let AI understand them. So welcome to PermitFlow. The first thing users see is our platform visual. Okay. So instead of complicated government software, we designed a clean and modern experience that immediately communicate what the platform does. You will notice the key numbers here: over 24,000 permits processed, 98% compliance success, up to 82% reduction in approval time. Below that are our core capabilities like everything from blueprint analysis to government, from Autofill permit tracking to voice assistance to multilingual AI. Our goal is simple: one platform, one upload, and one smooth permit journey. Then next comes this authentication. You have to click on Start Project Wizard. And for demonstration purposes, we have created four different user roles: contractor, architect, municipal officer, administration. Okay. And if you have to register, if you don't have an account on the permit flow, then you have to first create an account. Okay. Then you have to create account and send OTP. It sends you a time OTP like 1234, and you have logged in back to send OTP 1234. This is for demo purpose. So each role experiences the platform differently depending on their responsibilities. Today, let's begin as a contractor. So this is where the journey begins. Imagine you are managing multiple construction projects simultaneously. Instead of spreadsheet and folder, everything is available in one dashboard. Here you can instantly monitor active project, pending permit, compliance score, approval status, recent activities, everything. Each project includes location, building type, compliance percentage, risk rating, and permit status. So no searching through email, no switching between portals, and everything is centralized into one dashboard. Now, suppose we want to register a brand new project. We simply click New Project Wizard. The contractor enter basic detail like project name, location, plot area, building height, building type, and upload construction blueprint. And this is where the real intelligence begins. You can also uh, continue the voice assistance. Okay. And click on trigger OCR and check compliance. So yeah, this is our program luxury villa. AI compliance report, compliance score 95% rating. AI computer vision blueprint analyzer from version 1.0 to version 2.0. Violated version 1.0, version 2.0 autopilot corrected. AI approval probability 98.6%. AI generated checklist. Municipal officer review notes. Poster attracted timers. hosted structured dimension like server and document intelligence, like occupancy profile, calculated for parking spaces, front setback boundary, and violations and audits, like 4 rules are checked: floor area ratio limit, permissible height limit, wet rival fire line, and minimum parking allotment. Government form autofill. You have to fill your government form like on a soil. It is a autofill government form for you like ownership, applicant details, and technical and zoning parameters. The permit pipeline tracker, like from zoning approval pipeline to zoning approval pipeline, from draft to submitted to under review to document verification to approved. Whenever it is approved, it shows your step 5 is completed. Okay. And you can submit for approval and you can download report also. Submit for approval. Okay. It's submitted under review and you can download the report also. So instead of asking the user to manually enter every construction detail, PermitFlow automatically understands the uploaded document. Using OCR combined with Sarvam AI, the system extracts building dimension, number of floor, float information, occupancy detail, and structural specification. Within seconds, the blueprint transforms into structured data. No manual type, no repeated work. Just I need to click. Do I need fire NOC? Yes, you require a fire NOC. Where is? Click on speakers. Okay. And here you can see the interactive GIS plot validated and ward search. Like search by ward 4, ward 5, and the active GIS inspection and GIS CAD map grid. Deep registry, infrastructure clearance, ward parameters lookup, eco impact, and the regulation search. Regulatory knowledge base and NLP search, right? Balcony setback rules. I think you want to search fire riser height threshold, parking handicap ratios, rainwater harvesting minimum, anything you want to. I'm explaining previously that the structural information is automatically compared against municipal zoning rules. Okay. Building code, fire safety standard, parking requirement, missing document. Instead of discovering problem after submission, users know exactly what to fix before applying. That's why their permit flow saves both time and money. And the government form autofill, anyone who fills government form knows how repetitive they are. The same information gets entered again and again and again. Permit flow eliminates this. Once AI extract product information, official permit form are automatically populated. Once upload, zero repetitive typing. Okay. So, and the Sarvam AI assistant explains regulation in simple words rather than legal terminology. And because India is multilingual, user can also interact in their preferred language. Like if I am uh, changing to Hindi, it's all required in Hindi, Tamil. That's let's switch perspective. Imagine you are the officer reviewing hundreds of permit applications every week. Instead of manually checking every document, Permit Flow provides AI-generated compliance insight. The officer immediately see compliance score, risk level, building type, project status, and uploaded documents. I'm back in switch to English. Now approval become much faster because officers focus on reviewing flag issue instead of checking everything from scratch. So you can see extractive space, safety and setback, low risk rating, blue brown luxury villa, AI computer vision blueprint analyzer, compliance audit log, and decisive decision actions. And you can also review official notes, rejection clauses, approved and published officer detail. It is approved. it is submitted, it is under review, it is rejected. Okay. So we have the contractor and architect, it's all the same. And the admin panel. Finally, we have the admin dashboard. This gives city administrators a bird's eye view of the entire permit ecosystem. Here they can monitor permit allocation, violence categories, average clearance time, approval trains, user management, regulation updates, and analytics. This helps municipalities continuously improve approval efficiency. This is the regulations panel. Like active building standards are standard name, list limit, category, and you can also delete this any active building standard. Add you can also add zoning standard also. Like you have to set standard name, standard description, category code, constraint, limit value, value limit, and click on create standard. Okay, and the user directory like user directory like Rajesh Kumar, Priya Sharma, Anil Mehta, like everything you have to see what which is a contractor, who are the architect, who are the contractor, who are the admin. You can see all in the user directory and the admin dashboard. So Sarvam AI is intelligence behind permit flow. It enables us to understand construction document, answer compliance question conversationally, translate regulation into multiple Indian languages, support voice-based interaction for contractors who prefer speaking over typing. Instead of replacing human officers, Sarvam AI empower both applicant and authority to make faster and better decisions. So with permit flow, we aim to achieve faster permit approval, reduce paperwork, lower rejection rates, better transparency, improved communication, and smarter governance. So cities don't grow because buildings are approved faster. Cities grow because regulation remove unnecessary barriers. So permit flow is our step toward making construction approval intelligently, transparently, and accessible for everyone. So together we are not just digitizing permit. We are reimagining how cities build their future. So thank you. We are team PermitFlow. Like I am Tanya and my team is Prerna and Kritika. Thank you.